Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall NVIDIA drivers on your Windows 10 computer if perhaps you've uninstalled them or you need to reinstall them. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by first just opening up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best result, should go back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You would see if you had any NVIDIA drivers underneath display adapters here, and if you did, you could always right click on them and uninstall the device, or you could try updating the device as well. So just want to show you guys that you might already have it installed in your computer, and you just want to go ahead and update the driver. But generally, if you want to get it directly from the manufacturer, and usually you actually get more up-to-date and more options available for drivers, would be to actually go on to the manufacturer's website, which is what we're going to do in today's tutorial. So I'm going to open up Chrome. You can open up whatever browser you are most comfortable with. And into Google search, you just want to search for NVIDIA graphics driver automatic, or we could just call it auto detect. Is probably more appropriate. So again, NVIDIA graphics driver auto detect, and you just want to search for it. So one of the best sites that's not an advertisement, so just be careful about ads, wanting you to download drivers and whatnot. But anyway, there should be a website here that says nvidia.com. Go ahead and select the NVIDIA driver downloads link here. You see it says automatically detect. So go ahead and select that. And you probably will have to actually install Java if you don't have it here for your system scan. I do notice that it will get a little pop-up here, so it'll give you a link to Java. You have to go install it. Otherwise, it's just going to go ahead and start scanning the system here and seeing what applicable drivers you have for your device, in which case you would then be able to install them just by clicking on a download link. So if you went ahead and installed Java here, you'd have to go ahead and walk through that. You would install Java and then go back to this link like I had right here, and then it would give you the option to go ahead and just download and install them. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys, very self-explanatory. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.